What's up, everybody? As you can see, taped up, just came from practice. Today, I want to talk to you guys about something that we got in the works a little bit. We've been talking about a lot, Matt and myself, about doing something a little different on the side channel. You guys are going to see a whole lot more videos and a whole lot more vlogs coming from the side channel and get back to where we started and provide you guys a little bit more behind the scenes content, not only on tour, but this time off tour. Whether it's, some ball reviews, some filming of me testing some of the newer Brunswick products, or just day in the life. I'm in the gym, I'm practicing, I'm hanging out with Bonta or other touring pros, and maybe getting a little bit behind the scenes on kind of what life is like, not only on tour, but in the off season as well, when we do a lot of other bowling and non-related bowling activities. So thank you guys for sticking along all this time. We plan to do a whole lot more content, probably 2, maybe even 3 videos a week, but we will for sure be posting here weekly and many times each week. So if you guys haven't already, hit that follow along button, hit that subscribe button, because we want you to get notified when we're posting more videos here. And for those of you who have been fans of the House Bowling Extras for a long time, have been wondering where the heck we went all this time, we're back. We're posting more videos than ever, whether it's me or some of the other guys on the house. We'll still be here, and we'll be here a whole lot more often. So thanks for sticking with us. We'll be back later this week for some vlogs. Also, if you guys want any specific content, we're willing to be way more experimental here on the House Extras. Some different style stuff, and some of the stuff that you guys might have been missing all along. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you here on the House Extras. Bye.